Hello, I am Indrani. I will teach you a lesson from KG group. Here I have prepared a worksheet for you. There are some missing letters and we have to fill these all missing letters in proper way. Here we can see that from the very first, here is A, B, blank, D, blank, F, blank, H, blank, J, blank, L, M, blank, O, blank, Q, blank, S, blank, U, blank, W, blank, blank, and the last one is Z. Here are 26 alphabets, but there is some missing letter. From the first row, we can fill the missing gap. This one will be C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then we have completed 26 alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Here I have prepared a table for you. The name of the table is Mark the Picture Which is Different. From the very first, we can see that there are 5 items, and number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, which is different from others. And from the second row, we can see the second one is different from others. And in the third row, we can see that the first one is different from others. In the second row, in the fourth row, we can see that the last one is different from others, and in the last row, we can see the same. The last one is different from others. Then what will happen? We have to mark the odd or different one. From the first row, which is different? The last item. We can mark it or circle it. Here the second one is different. Here the first one is different, and here the last one is different from others. When I will ask you to choose a particular number, you have to choose this one and circle it or mark it. Like when I will tell you number 7, you have to mark this one. When I will tell you 15, you have to mark this. Where is 13? Where is 9? Where is 20? Here. Where is 14? Here. Where is 3? Here. Where is 11? Here. Where is 17? Here. Yes, this is our another task. Here I will make a rhyme from these all numbers. Firstly, I will make a rhyme from 1 to 10. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Here is a table chart where we can see from first row 4, 4, 7, 4, 4, 4. Which is the odd one? 7 is the odd or different one, which is different from others. And from second row, which is different from others? 9 is different from others. And third row, 5 is different from others. In the fourth row, 3 is different from others. And in the final and fifth row, 7 is a different number from other numbers. When I will ask you to choose a particular number, you have to choose this one and circle it or mark it. Like when I will tell you number 7, you have to mark this one. When I will tell you 15, you have to mark this. Where is 13? Where is 9? Where is 20? Here. Where is 14? Here. Where is 3? Here. Where is 11? Here. Where is 17? Here. Yes, this is our another task.